Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use QUIZIZZ. So when you go to QUIZIZZ, you can either go at for teachers, get started or sign up. If you have a Google account, it's really easy to make one. Basically, just sign into your Google account. Since I already have an account, I'll just log in. Before that, users can also get QUIZIZZ from App Store or Play Store if they want to use in phone. Once you get in, you will see your account process at the top. So what I've done is only create account, but I didn't create a lesson yet, and so on. Under this is a search bar. You can search for quizzes by any subject or topic, or you can click on one of these popular quizzes. And then, when you type on what you are searching for, it's going to bring up all the top suggestions down there. You can go to QUIZIZZ to find quiz, and lesson is a new feature in QUIZIZZ where there are slides related to the topic. You can just go hover over them. It will show a review of questions in the quiz or slides in the lessons. So you don't need to click on all of them one by one. So we are going to go ahead and click on one. There are a few things that you can do. First, you can see all the questions below and you can see the options of the answers. You can also start a live game where once you start the game, your students will start their quiz. Now let's see how to start a live quiz. You can change your mode to theme or test, and you can change the settings below here. If there's nothing to change, click on continue. To start the quiz, you need to have at least one participant. Now let's see the point of students view. Once you enter the code, enter a name and click start. You can custom the settings below. When there are students join your quiz, then you may start your quiz. But you may wait for all students to join. As students are answering the quiz, teachers can see the progression here. On leaderboard, we can see who are leading in the quiz, and at the questions, we can see where and what questions they answer right or wrong. Up here, you can change the themes, mute or unmute, view in full screen. If you want to end the quiz, click on end. Also, on student screen, it will end as well. On student screen, they can see their score, rank, and all data related to them. While for you, you can see the overview and questions. Here, you can see how many students answer it right and wrong for that particular questions. If you insist to give it as a report to the parents, you need to have their email, then you can straight away email them. Turn on show time taken if you want to see time they provide for each questions. On top of it, you can see the highlight of the quiz roughly, and the most important thing is you can download the result that can be a record for you. When you click here, it will be downloaded automatically in Excel files. When you open the document, you can see all the data that is significant for you as a teacher, so that you don't need to make a file or record manually, which is troublesome. Let's move to My Library. If you create lessons or quiz, it will appear here. You can create collections where you save a few quizzes in one folder. Now let's make one. You can either take from the quiz bank or create on your own. From the quiz you have created, click on Save and select the collection, then save it. Then, if you go to the maths collection, you will see the quiz you have added to it. At the report, you will be able to see quiz you have assigned to students with the total of participants and accuracy. When you click on the three dots, you will get options to download, rename, share, and delete the report. Next is classes. You can connect your class in Google Classroom or create a new one in QUIZIZZ. Name the class, and if you want to know their parents' email, then make sure to click on this box. Custom the class color and create class. Then you will get a link where you can share it to your students. As students, they need to go to the link and put their name as well as their parents' email. Now, refresh your class and there is a student in your class. At the settings, you can change email, username, language, and password. To log out, find Logout at More. Before I show you how to create a quiz, let's see how to assign quiz to class you have created. Go to Explore, search the topic. Click on any quiz you want to assign, then choose Assign Homework. You can set the deadline. You can set the deadline here. Then scroll down and select class here. You can give a name and add some description to the assignment and edit when the game should start. Proceed to the next. On advanced setting, you can set the attempts to answer and when to show the answer. If you're ready to publish, scroll up and click Assign. You can end assignment if you don't want to use the deadline you have set before. You can print or download the summary of results. Lastly, let me show you how to create your own quiz. Click on Create right here. You can choose to create quiz or lesson. Lesson is slides combined with quiz or poll questions. So now, let's create the quiz. Put a name for the quiz and select the relevant subject related to the topic. You can choose the type of your quiz, either multiple choice, checkbox, or others. Okay, now you can write your question and you can insert mathematical equation, image, audio, or video along with your question. Then, put the answer options. It can be words, mathematical equation, or image. Then, click on tick at the box with the right answer. You can change the duration for this question and click Save once you are done. To add some more questions, just choose the type of questions here. So let's try the checkbox and the others. When you are done, click on done, or to cancel it, go to exit. After you are done creating your own quiz, you can use it for your live quiz or assign it as homework. QUIZIZZ is an easy tool that will help the teachers a lot in making assessment. I hope my video can help you in using it. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next video. Bye!